Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, power tilt sliding sunroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.